Hello, my name is Diamond Garcia, and today we'll be discussing the plan to implement Edpuzzle into the classroom. COVID-19 significantly accelerated the adoption of technology into the K-12 classrooms. However, with the sudden acceleration, it has left many teachers feeling overwhelmed with the vast amount of new technologies that are being introduced and little time to master them. In response to this, a technology needs survey was conducted. The two main purposes of the survey were to see how to improve the daily classroom practices, as well as what technology skills need to be developed in order to better support engaging student activities. Based on the survey that was sent out and the data that was collected, the majority of teachers had some concerns when it came to what was needed in order to efficiently use technology in the classroom. Teachers reported that they utilized technology in their classroom daily, with a wide range of devices and applications being used. The two biggest concerns, according to the data, were how to effectively use technology in order to increase student engagement, as well as how to use technology to personalize learning for their students. Lastly, teachers reported frustration with the lack of access to adequate technology training that would help them master that particular application. So why Edpuzzle? Edpuzzle is a platform that allows teachers to create interactive video lessons for their students. It lends itself to interactive learning, meaning teachers are able to embed questions throughout the video in order to assess the student's understanding of the material being presented. Edpuzzle also enhances student engagement in a variety of ways. It provides engaging multimedia videos that teachers can leverage, provides immediate feedback, and also allows students to track their own data. Lastly, Edpuzzle also allows students to learn at their own pace. They can pause, rewind, and replay sections of the video as needed. Teachers can also customize the lessons in order to fit the needs of each individual student. Edpuzzle also offers two different plans for educators to purchase. There is the Edpuzzle Basic Plan, which is completely free. All you would need to do is sign up with your email, and it allows you to have access to more than 5 million videos, storage space up to 20 videos, the option to create your own interactive lessons, and will provide detailed analytics of students' results. The other plan Edpuzzle offers is called Pro Teacher, which is available as a subscription for $13.50 a month. This version includes all features that the basic plan does, along with unlimited storage space, unlimited screen recording, unlimited student projects, and priority customer support. Once your startup team is complete, there are a couple of trainings that could be vital in order to get teachers to buy into the program and get it up and running. In terms of professional development, it would be a good idea to begin with the following. First, an Edpuzzle 101. This would be a training where it gives an overview of the basic functions of Edpuzzle and all the ins and outs. This will be the overview of how Edpuzzle runs. This is not the training to offer to demonstrate the how to create lessons. The second professional development you can offer is the how to create and upload videos. This would be the training to go in depth on how to create and upload lessons into Edpuzzle. This would be ideal to allow teachers enough time to create at least one lesson and understand how to publish it in order for students to access it. After giving these two professional developments, it is suggested that after some time, once teachers have had enough time to implement the program and utilize it with their students, it is important to get feedback from teachers. This will help plan for more professional development that specifically targets the needs of your campus. In terms of security and network safety, it is important to stay up to date with your district security and network safety policy. This would also be the time to offer updated training so that everyone is aware of these policies in place. The implementation of a new technology can only be deemed as successful if it is deemed to be effective. There are several ways to determine if Edpuzzle is successfully effective in your school. The first is the learning outcomes. Assess whether the students are achieving the intended learning outcomes. This can be done by comparing pre- and post-assessment results, project outcomes, or even as informal as class discussions. Second, survey teachers. It is important to survey teachers to see if they are satisfied with the overall use of the platform. Some questions to ask are, is the platform user-friendly? Is it effective in delivering instruction? Does it lend itself to support differentiated instruction? Third, it's also important to ask students on their preferences and get their feedback based on how they've been interacting with the platform. And lastly, the usage patterns of teachers is also important to take into consideration to determine the effectiveness of the platform. Are teachers using this consistently? And with that being said, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining us today. I hope this information has been helpful.